Is your 2019 Lincoln Nautilus key fob unresponsive or showing a low battery warning? A dead battery is a common issue. This video shows you how to replace it yourself, saving you time and money compared to dealership service costs, typically $50 to $150. It's a simple DIY task, and we'll guide you through each step. You only need a few basic tools for this repair. A small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool will help open the key fob safely. You'll also need a new CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery, which costs around $5 and is available at most auto parts stores. Optionally, a key fob case opener tool can prevent damage to the fob casing. Locate the small notch or indentation on the side of your key fob. Insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into this notch. Gently twist the tool to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to force it, as you could damage the plastic clips that hold it together. Work slowly and methodically. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the battery before removing it, with the positive side facing up. Use your fingernail or the pry tool to gently lift the old battery out of its compartment. Avoid using metal tools to prevent short-circuiting. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up. The battery should sit snugly in place with good contact to the terminals. Remember to wear gloves to avoid transferring skin oils to the battery. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob, making sure the buttons and edges match up properly. Press the two halves together firmly until you hear or feel the clips snap back into place. Check that there are no gaps between the halves and the fob feels securely closed and solid in your hand. Test the key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. Verify that your 2019 Lincoln Nautilus responds accordingly. Try using the remote start feature if equipped. If the buttons don't respond, double-check the battery orientation or consult your owner's manual for possible reprogramming steps. Here are some essential tips and troubleshooting steps for your key fob battery replacement. If your key fob still doesn't work after battery replacement, clean the battery contacts with a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol. This removes any corrosion or dirt that might prevent proper electrical connection. If cleaning doesn't help, the fob may need reprogramming. Follow your owner's manual to reprogram through the vehicle's settings, or take it to a professional for assistance to ensure proper function. Always dispose of the old battery responsibly by recycling it at a local battery recycling center. Lithium batteries are hazardous and should not go in regular trash to protect the environment. If the battery is dropped during replacement and the fob stops working, damage may have occurred to the internal circuitry. In this case, purchase a replacement fob from your dealer or automotive store. Following these tips should resolve most key fob issues. If problems continue, seek help from a qualified technician to avoid further damage.